Hello YouTube, Text back with another great video, and today's video is about how to fix your device is missing important security and quality fix error in Windows. So as you are seeing on a screen, when you try to check updates or when you try to install your Windows updates, it will constantly say your device is missing important security and quality fixes. So to solve this problem, we are going to see 6 solutions from the basic to advanced. So now let's see each of these solutions. So try to follow each of the solution. Maybe if solution number 1 could not work, solution number 2 or others may work for your problem. So solution number 1 will be one of the basic solution, which is trying to check the date and time, which is on your screen. Click on your screen, date and time here on the corner, and select adjust date and time. Right click on it, then select adjust date and time, and it will give you an option. So select which is set the time automatically is turned on, and as well as make sure you selected a time zone. So sometimes this time issue can make your update to say like this, or to specify your device is missing important quality or security issues. So make sure your date is your date section is set automatically, and make sure your time zone is selected on your time and language or date and time section. So after you check this information, then the second information will be uninstalling recently installed application. So sometimes applications can cause such kind of problem. So in order to uninstall such programs, click on the search icon here and type here control panel, which is, as you can see here, control panel opened before I typed. So control panel opened here. If you find the categories larger icons like this person, make sure you click here and make them under the category, and select here and under the programs install a program. So if you have an application installed in recent days, make sure you arrange it based on installed on based on their time. So select this one, so it will give you the recent application that you installed recent days. So as you can see here, so if I want to uninstall this application, for example, going to select this one and select here uninstall, then it will ask you a confirmation, then select yes and follow the procedures in order to uninstall the application. So this solution also help you to get a right of or to get a fix on your device's missing important security issue. And if this solution is not working for you, then the third solution will be troubleshooting. So go to the search icon here and type here troubleshoot. Troubleshoot. So you will find here troubleshoot setting, then open the troubleshoot setting, and under the troubleshooting you will find other troubleshooters option, then open the other troubleshooter option, and you will find Windows update here. So select here the run. Under the Windows update, select here run. So it will start detecting a problem related with Windows update. So wait patiently until it will finish the detecting process on your computer. So here the detection or troubleshooting has completed, and the troubleshooter made some changes to your system and tried attempting the task you are trying to do before. So after you get this information, then close this one and check whether your problem is solved or not. So if the problem is still occurring, then the solution number 4 will be which is starting the Windows update under the task scheduler. So here click the search icon and type here task scheduler. So here the task scheduler opened, So select the task scheduler, and under the task scheduler you will find here task scheduler library, this one, task scheduler library. Then select here the drop down arrow and select from, if you get a list of options, then select Microsoft. In my case I only have Microsoft, and I'm going to select Microsoft and select again under Windows, which is the arrow under Windows. So under Windows, scroll down to the bottom, which is, let me get more wide view. So scroll down to the bottom and find Windows Update. So here I found the Windows Update, then I'm going to select the Windows Update. So when you select the Windows Update, you will get lists of actions that will be proceeded under the task scheduler. So this action is going to be executed every time. So make sure you right click on it and select the run option. So select run and do the same if you have another schedules under this section. I only have one schedule, but if you have different schedule, then right click, sorry, here I forgot to accept, select here OK, and do the same for each of them if you have another schedules on this section, and close your task scheduler. You close the task scheduler, then go to here, Windows icon, click and select here and shut down your computer. Shut down your computer. And after you shut down your computer, then after some minutes, then restart it back and check whether the problem is solved or not. So if the problems are again still occurring, then we are going to stop the Windows Update service, and again we are going to restart the service back. So in order to stop and restart the Windows Update service, we are going to click here the start icon and type here CMD. So after you get here the command prompt, then right click on it and select run as administrator. So here it will give you user account control, and select yes, and you will get here your CMD. So after that, here I have some commands on my notepad. So I'm going to put this notepad on the description box, which is, it will be under my Telegram channel. So I'll put the link so you can download this one and copy paste all this commands to the CMD. So the first one will be stopping the Windows Update service. So copy paste each of them one by one. So let me copy the first one. So copy this one, Control C on your keyboard. And okay, here I made some mistake. Then here paste and press enter. So the Windows Update service is stopping. So as you can see, the Windows Update service was stopped successfully. Then let's proceed to the second one, which is the second command. Again, copy this one and paste it here and press enter. And again, cryptographic service is stopping and stop successfully. Then we proceed to the third one, copy and do the same for others, paste and press enter. The background service is not started, or more help is available. So it's not already started. Then we are going to proceed to the next one. Again, copy this one and paste it under the CMD and press enter. The Windows Install service is not started. So we are going to do the next step, which is rename downloaded update files. So in order to rename the downloaded update files, then again copy the first line of this one and paste under your CMD and press enter. Again, go for the second one and copy this one and press Ctrl V, then press enter. Then again we finished renaming download update files. Then we are going to start Windows Update service. So we stopped earlier. Now let's start it back again, each of them. Ctrl C, then V, and press enter. So the Windows Update service is starting. So it started successfully. Again, the second one, copy this one and Ctrl V and enter. Cryptographic services already started successfully. Then the third one, again, Control C and Control V and press enter. Starting. So background intelligence service. So as you can see, it was started successfully. Then the final one, Nate, start this MS server. Again, copy this one and press enter. And again, it started successfully. So after you finish this, then close your CMD and restart your computer. So after the restart, if the problem is still occurring, then we are going to see or we are going to download a Windows reset tool from Microsoft. So here I have the link for Windows Update Reset Tool link. So you can download from this site, or I'm going to put the file under the Telegram channel. You can download. So I'll put the link. So let's download from this site. As you can see here, I have the site here. I need to download Windows Update Reset Tool. And here is the Microsoft page, which is Microsoft question and answer page. So I'm going to open this page. So after you open here, we found Reset Windows Update Tool. So select this one. So it's going to download this Reset Windows Update Tool. It's because I already downloaded here. It's showing me it's a duplicate file. So I'm going to click it OK, and let's again restart, re-download it, and I'm going to click open folder. So here the file downloaded, reset.wng.zip. So open this one and select here reset the CMD one under the zipped folder. Try to open it or extract it. After you open, you will find under the bottom reset wng.cmd. Select this reset wng.cmd, which is open it. So after you click open, find this category, and it will ask you to press any key to continue. Press any key under your keyboard, and it will reset your Windows Update section. Then after the reset completed, then try to check whether your device is missing important security issue is solved or not. So these are the solutions in order to solve a problem related with your computer that the device is missing important security issues. So if this solution is helpful, please like, subscribe, and give me comments on the comment section. Thank you for watching for today. Chashtag out.